Jamaican yellow yam. Yellow yam is borne by a perennial vine plant, which stretches up to 2 meters long. Yellow yams are similar to sweet potatoes, however, they are not an alternative to sweet potatoes. The main difference between the two tubers is that yams are large in size and have thicker skin, whereas sweet potatoes are relatively small in size and have a thin peel. Learn all you need to know about Jamaican yellow yam below. It is one of my favorite root vegetables that I have enjoyed all my life. Brief history of yellow yams. Yams belong to Africa and Asia, as they originated from there. They later spread to the Caribbean areas through the slaves. Yams, the name comes from the African word, nyami, which refers to the act of eating. There are up to 18 distinct yam varieties in Jamaica, and they all have a novel taste, flavor, and texture. Some yellow yams are dry and starchy, some are sweet and soft, and a few are waxy. What is Jamaican yellow yam? Yellow yam, a tropical root veggie, is also alternatively known as Jamaican yellow yam. Jamaican yellow yam is traditionally consumed with Jamaican meals. Jamaican yellow yam is a section of ground provisions mixture, usually a container of different boiled root veggies and flour dumplings. Yellow yam has often been considered an underrated tuber vegetable that undoubtedly deserves to be placed in every individual's kitchen. Yellow yams are an essential member of yams family, which are perceived as similar to sweet potatoes while being a bit starchier. Why should you consume Jamaican yellow yam? Jamaican yellow yams are versatile and effortless to cook. Yellow yam is a nutritious veggie to include in your diet in both sweet and savory dishes. Yellow yam nutrition keeps you fit and active. Jamaican yellow yams are economical and easy to grow. Yellow yams are an excellent source of energy. Jamaican yellow yam is boiled easily. Yams are added to Jamaican soups to convert them into a more filling meal. Jamaican yellow yams are sometimes also consumed with ground provision mixtures, stews, and curries. Health benefits of yellow yam. Are you facing a balding issue like many others in today's stressful world? Yellow yams are here to your rescue. Low levels of iron lead to hair loss. Yellow yams improve the blood flow in your scalp, which boosts hair growth on the scalp. The presence of iron in Jamaican yellow yams assists red blood cells to transport oxygen and stimulate the circulation of blood within the scalp. Hence, optimum usage of yellow yam will increase your hair growth. In addition, the antioxidants present in Jamaican yellow yams help maintain a fresh and youthful appearance by blocking aging symptoms such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Historically, Jamaican yellow yams have served as alternative medications for several years. Recent research has investigated the plausible health advantages of yams. Various medical companies, especially those in China, Japan, and Korea, have also created medicines using yellow yams due to their allantoin composition. Yellow yams also are an excellent source of vitamin C. This helps to boost your immune system by shielding against several bacteria and infections. It also helps in the speedy recovery of wounds and helps with anti-aging. Yellow yams also contain vitamin A, which helps sustain robust membranes and skin, increases and strengthens your night vision, promotes strong bone development, and guards against cancers relating to the lungs and mouth. Besides, yellow yams provide adequate amounts of other nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, fiber, manganese, calcium, iron, vitamin B6, and pantothenic acid. The benefits of yellow yams have not ended yet. Continue watching to see different benefits of consuming Jamaican yellow yams. Improvement of brain function. Jamaican yellow yams contain a compound called diasgenin, associated with neuron growth and enhanced brain function. These have proved to improve the learning abilities of humans and their memory. In fact, a study demonstrated that people who consumed yam extract supplementations secured higher marks in a brain function test than the rest. Besides, Jamaican yellow yams contain potassium, which increases the cognitive functioning of the brain. Helpful in reducing menopause symptoms in women. Yellow yams are known to build estrone and estradiol levels, which are two important blood hormones in the blood. Hence, yellow yams can ease the symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and nausea, which lead to imbalanced hormones. This fact is also supported by a study that illustrated that yellow yams help reduce the symptoms of menopause, such as reduced hot flushes and reduced sweats at night. This is because yellow yams contain diasgenin, which impacts the patterns of hormones by reducing menopause symptoms. Yellow yams are an excellent food source to add to your fertility-friendly diet. The presence of antioxidants in Jamaican yellow yams guards against cell destruction. Hence, yams are highly recommended for shielding your eggs and improving overall egg health. Possesses anti-cancer properties. Jamaican yellow yams contain numerous antioxidants that help to combat cancer. In fact, a study on animals was conducted, which determined that if the diet is rich in yams, it will significantly lessen the growth of colon tumors. This is due to the presence of various antioxidants in yellow yams. Helpful in losing weight. Yellow yams are famous for reducing your appetite. The roots of yellow yams render a useful fiber known as glucomannan, which aids in losing weight. The fiber converts into a gel form when consumed and remains in your stomach. This makes you feel fuller for a more extended period of time. Consequently, your cravings are controlled, and your weight loss journey becomes more manageable and more achievable.